Hey, Ed here from 10,000 Foot View, and I've got another Google Ads quick tip for you today. Just before I jump in, a reminder to please like our content and subscribe to the channel. We post about Google Ads at least once every week. Okay, so today I'm going to be talking about another new beta feature for Performance Max, and that is some tweaking that Google has done with increased bidding on new customers. And the tweak is that you can now have a second group, which are considered high value customers. So I'll go ahead and walk through that right now. Okay, so under customer acquisition settings, if you select your new customer options, you'll now see that we have a high value variation here as well. And so right now we're saying for new customers, we're going to add incremental conversion value of $12.80. And then for the high value ones, we would have to set that up. And there's two settings. So one setting is the actual value you want to add for this group. And the other setting is what's the source data for those high value customer. So what you'd have to do is upload a customer list that represents those high value customers, right? So ones that have purchased a large volume of product or a large amount over a period of time, or one large order, or what have you. And so this is just really Google trying to do a better job of identifying specific users that have more potential in terms of high value. So the reality is that we see very few advertisers using this feature at all. So I suspect that even fewer will use this high value setting, because most of the customers we work with, even fairly sophisticated ones, they don't even have the ability to segment lists into low value and high value. I'm talking about clients we have that have 12 people working in marketing, and we ask for that, and they look at us like we have two heads. So it's just the reality sometimes of, some of these kind of granular, very specific things that we can do in Google Ads that clients don't really get it or they don't buy in. So it can be challenging. But here is the feature. It is in beta. If you are already using new customer targeting with adjustments, then this may be useful to you. You can't set anything for if you only bid for new customers, which is interesting. It would be kind of cool, I guess, if you only bid for new high value customers, which you cannot do, at least in this beta version. So anyway, there you have it. If you are using this feature, then there's an upgrade for you potentially. Hopefully you found this tip useful, and that's it for me today. I will see you next time.